Mavambo Kusibedon, president. So I will end my role here. I'm not here as a principal. I'm here to facilitate this conference. But I will hand over that's my task today, but I will hand it over to the current chairperson of the coalition.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope I find you at these democratic times. I will start with the press statement. Rallying call, number 1. Court joins the majority of Zimbabweans in calling for Mugabe and Zanu PF to go. They have failed to stem the continued suffering of the people. Mugabe has presided over and encouraged corruption which has bankrupted our country. This country belongs to all of us. All its resources belong to all of us. We refuse to accept being made second-class citizens, and we will collectively fight for our rights. The coalition of Democrats calls for a free and fair election managed by the international community. This can be SADC, the African Union, or the United Nations singly or together. Our ZEC is heavily partial and cannot hold a credible, free and fair election. The old ZEC commissioners who presided over countless disputed elections have to date been resettled. There is a clear indication from Mugabe that this is his rigging machine. Number 2, voters' roll. A proper voters' roll can only be produced through an exhaustive, inclusive and accessible process, and thereby subjected to and pass an external audit. We will bring several other issues without any extra benefits. Court therefore rejects the biometric voters roll, and listed below are some of the reasons. The biometric voters roll's main advantage is to curb duplicate voting. Although duplicate voting takes place, it is by far not the main method used by Zanu PF or ZEC to rig elections. Only a very visible mark of those who have voted is the appropriate deterrent for double voting. The main methods used include fear, coercion, and the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC itself, its staff, and the electoral management system they use.